In this video, we're going to look at how to install this custom indicator and also scanner, plus also the watch list, right? Indicator on the watch list. So let's go ahead and let's copy the code. First thing is we need to copy the code. Okay, so let's copy the code for the indicator. Okay, now let's go here. This is a plain candle chart of, let's say, PL. Now let's go studies, create. Now take this out. Okay. Now we have the indicator here. Now you can see the chart has changed to sell here, buy here, buy here, sell here, buy here. Okay. So it could probably give a sell signal. So this indicator is installed. Okay. Now let's go to the scanner. Scan. Okay. Now add indicator, add filter, study, custom, delete, think script. Now go ahead and copy the scanner code. The scanner code here. So here, as you can see the, okay, it is saying that it's the second one is basically breakup, right? This is a scanner for breakup. You just go here. You want a scanner for breakdown, just put a asterisk here and then take this asterisk out. Then it will break down. Okay. Now down, we just want stocks weekly. Scan. Okay, now you have stocks which are down on a daily basis. You go to charts. Okay, so this is up. So this is up on a weekly. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Okay, now, so from this list, scanner list, we want to look for. So if you want same thing for downtrending, this what we need to do is we basically need to take this out and put a here. Okay, scan. This will show all the stocks which are downtrending. So the 30 of them. Let's say U and H chart. H. Okay, so it is downtrending. Okay, you can see the one candle is downtrending here. Okay, now let's install the watch list. Now what we need to do is here edit, customize, custom, delete, take script. So this is the watch list code. Okay, copy that, paste that. Okay. So now you can see within the how many candles are up or down. Okay, you can see the one candle. Customers. Click on this daily basis. Okay. Lot. Okay, sorry, the code is wrong. Watch list code. Let's see. Now you can see how many candles are up or down. So one more cool thing you can do is basically go to your scan list. And you can also add here, customize. Okay, so let's say you don't want EPS, remove. So you just want. So now you can see. So this is a down trending scan. You can see how many candles are down on each one of them. So you can basically sort by market cap, sort by this also. Okay, this will help you quickly identify the stocks are downtrending how by how many candles. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, send us an email. Thank you. I'm going to include uh, the custom indicator link below. Okay.